Also tonight, lawyers for Peyton Gendron are once again asking a judge to spare him a possible death sentence. Good evening, I'm Scott Levin.
And I'm Mary Alice Demler. He's accused in the May 14th mass shooting at Tops, in which 10 people died and 3 others were wounded. Our Dave McKinley is standing by live outside federal court in downtown Buffalo with the latest. Dave?
Mary Alice, there were no rulings made today by the judge, who also raised questions as to whether he's even in a position to review the decision by the Justice Department to pursue the death penalty in this case under laws duly enacted by Congress.
Lawyers for Peyton Gendron left court after arguing against the government's continued pursuit of the death penalty against their client, who admittedly shot and killed 10 black people at the Tops on Jefferson Avenue. Gendron, who was 18 at the time, is being prosecuted under a hate crimes clause in the federal death penalty statute after what the government says it intends to prove was a racially motivated mass shooting. But Gendron's lawyers argued capital punishment cases must also meet the standard of being both in the public interest and necessary to secure substantive justice. Is it in the public interest to spend the time, resources, and heartache to prosecute this, they asked, noting that Gendron is already admitted to the murders in state court, for which he's serving multiple life sentences without the possibility of parole.
What is your idea of substantive justice?
Garnell Whitfield's mother was killed in the mass shooting.
I'm not standing here talking about the death penalty.
Because while Gendron's lawyers have previously stated that if the government ends its pursuit of the death penalty, their client will plead guilty here as well, eliminating the need for a trial altogether, Whitfield says if Gendron truly was radicalized and motivated by what he read online, then there could be no greater public interest in knowing all there is to know about that.
Everything that helped him, that radicalized him, that helped him do what he did. Whatever that is, we need to know what that is. Without this trial, that would not be the case.
Gendron once again waived his right to appear in court today. The judge said as long as matters before the court pertain to scheduling or legal arguments as they were today, he will not compel Gendron to appear here, although he indicated that Gendron may be ordered to come here on future dates when there are matters involving, well, matters of fact or testimony or anything like that. On your side in downtown Buffalo, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.